So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new to this channel, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and let's see what we will be expecting for the next day on gold. So if you take a look at the trend, our full trend on gold is literally a trend to the upside. So if you are a swing trader or you are a position trader, your bias should be to the upside. So now let's take a look at this movement here. You can see it on the daily time frame. This is our higher high, our higher low played out here, higher high, and here is our higher low. So currently, gold is currently giving us a playing a new higher high. It wants to give us a new higher high. So basically, our forecast or our bias on gold would be to the upside, meaning we should come to see tap this resistance level and possibly break above it. Now let's roll down to the 4-hour time frame. So we can see this is the resistance level here. So expect gold to come to tap it. Now if gold taps it, there's every likelihood it will drop, then it will actually break above it again. So on this movement, I will cover it in the Telegram channel. So if you are interested in the movement, make sure you subscribe to the Telegram channel. You will find a link in the comment section.